Okay, let's draw 3-in-1 basic Kanote design 2. You can get this template link in the description below. I use 60 pencil to draw a sketch. Let's divide this one into 3 parts. Okay, now we got 3-in-1 Kanote design. Let's divide 3 into 9 parts. When you draw a very long line, use your shoulder to move your hand freely. Okay, let's divide the top one. Okay, now we got 9-in-1 Kanote design. Let's divide this 9 parts into 27 parts by dividing each into 3 parts. This 3-in-1 Kanote design is the foundation of basic Myanmar traditional design drawing. So keep practicing, and then further lessons will be easier for you. Okay, I will stop dividing here. You can divide as many parts as you want. Okay, now add a new layer above it and use moonlight stream brush. And the brush size is 50% for the outer Kanote design. %, for minute division. %, for inner division. Okay, the outline done. Make the layer reference and add a new layer below it. Use selection to automatic and color fill. Fill the blank spaces with black. Okay, let's color it. Pick up the color and move it to the side. Add a new layer below the reference layer and pick the color and color drop it. Do it one by one with each color. I will fast forward a bit. Okay, after coloring, let's add some shadow to it. Add a new layer above it, pick the color, and then reduce the brightness to 50% to add shadow to it. Pick another color and reduce brightness to 50%. Okay, now you got the idea. I'll fast forward a bit and put the shadow to all the layers. It's done. Bye bye.